Okay, today on TripleChip's Unbox the Box. Good day and welcome to another edition of TripleChip's Unbox the Box. Today we're going to be unboxing the Greenworks Pro 80 volt Lithium Max lawnmower and string trimmer combo. It comes with two of these batteries. This is what I was running in the chainsaw in that other video the other day, that 18-inch 80 volts. And the charger come with this. It didn't come with the chainsaw. So I've already taken those out of the box so I could run the saw. And it's like 80 volts is like gas-like power. And it is the model CK80L4110. And I picked this up from Costco. I believe it was $569. I'll have to double check. I'll correct it on the video if it's wrong. So we're going to be unboxing this. As usual. Safety first. Blade always away from you. Ninja style. So let's get to unboxing this. Okay. So on top of everything you see in here so far, it comes with a charger and two batteries, which are 2 amp hour, which will roughly run for about an hour per battery. So we got the instructions for the lawnmower, and then the trimmer that we'll be showing in the same video is going to be a 16-inch cut cordless string trimmer. That's the model ST80L100s. And that's just another manual on your charger and your battery, how to maintain them. Just some garbage. I guess I can show you the trimmer first because it's nice and handy here. Do some cutting there.
No, we're
part of your trimmer. It looks like crooked. I really want that. Huh. Wow. I guess that's the way it goes. It's stuck now, but it looks like it'll be kind of angled to your cut. It's got the same thing as safety switch and the trigger once you get the battery in. So you just simply tighten this up. What you get also is this other guard that's going to go on it. Let's just use a knife to open it up. Okay. What do we got here? Okay, you have a handle that goes on somewhere. Huh. I need a screwdriver for that though. I think I can put this part on now. No, I'm definitely going to need a screwdriver. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab a screwdriver. Okay, I guess when I bought it, it was $5.69. As you see now, that's on Costco as of today. It's $6.99. That's all the stuff you get. That's what we're going to be unboxing today. Get back to the unboxing here. We're going to install. One got a screwdriver. This is going to go on. So what you got to do with this, grab a screwdriver. And simply take out. Just need a Phillips. Got these two screws here. Whoa. Just got to make sure you hold it tight because it want to flip around on you. Oh, tipping again. Okay, and then there's this piece here, which is simply going to be a guard here, so that just fits. It lines right up with the two screws that I took out. So you're just going to take those and put them back in. I wasn't even looking to get a new trimmer because I got two of them already. I got a gas one, I got a couple works, but it comes with it, so why not? And they all run off the 80-volt battery, the same as the chainsaw did. So they got snow blowers. They got a bunch of good equipment that you can run all off the same system. So just simply take that side down. Move this side a little bit tightening. Nice and snug in there. Just don't over tighten it. Once you there, that one's tight. Go back to the other side again. There we go with that. So we got that on. There's one other piece. There's actually two more pieces to go with it. This one you just simply just pull it apart. Oh, make this easier. Hold this right so it doesn't. Just stretch this around and it just simply snaps into place. I got some tape on here. It might just come off, but let's peel off a little bit of it. Like that. And just simply got one more piece. It's going to have another handle so you can hold up here. Okay, so there's 4 screws you got to remove on this. Really make those in there snug. Okay, one more side to do. Oh, wow. You got to take those screws right out of it. That's... So we're going to take it right out of there. One. Okay, so those are pretty snug still. Okay. Okay, we've got the second one out. Final screw is out. We'll just actually leave that one in there. And that's just simply going to mount. Okay, well, welcome back. We had to split this up. It's the next day now, just because my camera died on me, so I had to order some more batteries for it. But get back to the weed whacker. I've already installed 3 screws in here, and then I'll put the 4th one in. And where this is going to mount up to just simply right here so it's in line. So then when you're grabbing it, it's going to be like this so you can hold this better. So let's get to doing that. And make sure you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Just hold that up. So I'm just going to make sure it's even. Oh. It's always best to snug them down a little bit. Don't go all the way down on one. Just to make sure they go in evenly. And the third one. Just got one in my pocket, the last one. Fourth corner. It's always best to keep doing a pattern the whole way around until you get them all tightened up. That way it'll seat evenly. Just almost kind of like when you're installing a car tire, you got to do the lug nuts in a certain pattern. Okay, we almost got this. Okay, start snugging it down tight. Good. Go the opposite corner. Really bright out today. Okay. We're almost ready to do some weed whacking. It's about that time I had the neighbor cutting the lawn the other day, so I can catch up now. So it's competition around these parts. Okay, so we're gonna get battery's just simply gonna, the 80 volt battery's gonna go in the end. This is to release it. I don't know if I mentioned before, but there's your safety switch, the trigger to run the trimmer. Let's grab the battery for it. Oh, and the other thing I didn't mention, as in the chainsaw, this is also a